Welcome to Joe and Anna English Podcast. I am Joe.
And I am Anna. We're very happy you're here today.
Today's topic is simple, but very important.
Yes, people ask this question everywhere. Tell me about yourself.
Oh yes, that question makes many learners feel nervous.
Very nervous. My students tell me this all the time.
It feels like a test sometimes.
But actually, it's not a test at all.
Really?
Yes, it's just the start of a conversation.
Ah, an invitation to talk and connect.
Exactly. That's a much better way to see it.
Many learners think they must speak for a long time.
Or they think they need difficult English words.
But simple English is perfect here.
Simple sentences sound clear and friendly.
For example, your name and where you are from.
That's a great and natural way to start.
When I learned another language, I felt nervous too.
Oh, really? What helped you?
I learned to keep my answers short.
That's a very helpful tip for beginners.
You don't need to say everything.
Just choose a few simple ideas,
In this episode, we will show you how to do that.
step by step, with easy examples.
We'll practice together, like friends chatting.
Slow, clear, and comfortable English.
And remember, mistakes are okay.
Yes, mistakes help you learn.
So relax and enjoy the conversation.
We're here to help you feel confident.
By the end, this question will feel easy.
Maybe even fun.
So let's begin.
Let's learn how to answer, "Tell me about yourself."
Now, let's start with the easiest part.
Yes, the very beginning of your answer.
First, you say your name.
That's right. Just your name is perfect.
For example, my name is Joe.
Or, "Hi, I'm Anna." Very simple.
Oh, really? That feels easy already.
Yes, simple is good English.
Next, you can say where you are from.
You can say your country first.
For example, I am from Pakistan.
Or, "I'm from Brazil." That sounds great.
After that, you can add your city.
Yes, but only if you want to.
You can say, I live in Lahore.
Or, "I live in a small city near Tokyo."
Wow, that already sounds like a nice introduction.
And it is not long at all.
Let's put everything together now.
Okay, listen carefully.
Hi, I'm Joe. I'm from the United States. I live in New York.
That's clear, friendly, and easy to understand.
Now a shorter answer.
Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from Italy.
I see. Both answers are correct.
Yes, it depends on the situation,
In class, a short answer is often enough.
especially on the first day.
At a party, maybe you add your city.
Or when someone asks you again.
Some learners try to say too much.
Yes, and then they feel nervous.
You don't need a long story.
Just start small and feel comfortable.
Let's practice together now.
Okay, repeat after me.
My name is...
I am from...
I live in...
Great job. That was perfect.
Remember, this is the start of a conversation.
You can always say more later.
Simple answers help you feel confident.
And confidence helps your English sound better.
That sounds great.
Yes, you're doing very well.
Now let's talk about your job or your studies.
Yes, this part is very common and very useful.
People often ask, what do you do?
Oh, really? Yes, they ask this everywhere.
They ask at work, in class, or at parties.
That's true. It is a normal conversation question.
Let's start with jobs first.
Okay, simple sentences work best.
You can say, I have a job.
Or, "I work as a teacher."
Wow, that sounds clear and confident.
Yes, no difficult words needed.
For example, I work in an office.
Or, "I work in a restaurant."
I see. Very easy to understand.
Exactly. Simple English is powerful.
Now let's talk about students.
Many listeners are students, right?
Yes, you can say, I am a student.
And then add one more small detail.
Like, I am a student, I study English.
That's interesting, very natural.
Or, I'm a student at university.
Oh, really? That sounds great.
Now let's talk about situations.
Yes, because situations are important.
In a job interview, be a little formal.
You can say, I work as an engineer.
At a party, you can sound more relaxed.
Like, I work in IT. It's fun.
In class, short answers are perfect.
Yes, I am a student is enough.
Some learners feel shy about their job.
That's okay. Every job is important.
You don't need big or fancy words.
Just be honest and comfortable.
Let's try a quick example together.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi, I'm Tom. I'm a student.
Oh, really? What do you study?
I study business.
That's interesting. See, the conversation continues.
Yes, one simple sentence is enough.
And that makes English feel easier.
Now let's make your answer more friendly and personal.
Yes, this is the fun part of the conversation.
We can talk about hobbies and things we like.
A hobby shows your personality.
You can start with a simple sentence.
For example, my hobby is reading.
Or, I enjoy listening to music.
That sounds great and very natural.
Let's talk about favorite things now.
Okay, people love talking about favorites.
You can say, my favorite food is pizza.
Oh, really? That's interesting.
Or, my favorite music is pop music.
Wow, many people like pop music.
I enjoy sports in my free time.
Oh, really? What sport do you like?
I like football. I play with friends.
That sounds fun and active.
I enjoy cooking at home.
Oh, what do you like to cook?
I like simple food, like pasta.
Pasta is my favorite too.
See? Likes help the conversation continue.
Yes, people can ask more questions.
That's why hobbies are very useful.
They make your answer warm and friendly.
Some learners think hobbies are not important.
Actually, they are very important.
They show who you are.
And they help people remember you.
Let's compare two answers now.
Okay, I'm listening.
Hi, I'm Tom. I work in an office.
That is clear, but very short.
Now listen to this one.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Tom. I work in an office. I enjoy photography.
Wow, that sounds much more interesting.
Yes, one small detail makes a big difference.
I see. It feels more friendly.
You don't need many hobbies.
Just one or two are enough.
Choose something you really enjoy.
Then speak slowly and clearly.
That will help you feel confident.
And people will enjoy talking with you.
This is how English becomes natural.
Yes, like two friends chatting.
Now let's talk about something very important.
Yes, choosing the right information.
Some learners try to say everything at once.
Oh, really? Yes, and that can feel stressful.
You do not need to share your whole life.
Exactly. Just choose what feels right.
It depends on the situation.
Yes, the situation changes everything.
Let's start with a job interview.
In interviews, keep it polite and simple.
You can say your job or studies.
And maybe one strong skill.
For example, I am a student. I study business.
That sounds professional and clear.
Now let's talk about a class.
In class, short answers are perfect.
Hi, I'm Jack. I'm from Turkey.
I see. That is more than enough.
At a party, it is different.
Yes, parties are more relaxed.
You can add a hobby or favorite thing.
Like, I enjoy cooking and music.
That sounds friendly and comfortable.
People may ask more questions.
Some learners worry about dislikes.
You know, things they do not like.
You can share dislikes, but only if you want.
Yes, it is always your choice.
For example, I don't like waking up early.
Oh, really? Many people feel the same.
That can even make people laugh.
Yes, it feels honest and real.
But remember, you do not have to share.
Choose what makes you feel comfortable.
Let's hear two answers now.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi, I'm Mark. I'm from Spain.
Short, clear, and perfect.
Now another one.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Mark. I'm from Spain. I enjoy photography.
Wow, that sounds friendly and confident.
Both answers are correct.
Yes, you just choose the best one.
This helps stop overthinking.
And makes English feel easier.
Wow, we learned a lot together today.
Yes, and now it's time to review our key words.
Let's start with the word introduce.
Introduce means to tell people who you are.
For example, I introduce myself in class.
That's clear and simple.
Next word is conversation.
A conversation is when people talk together.
Like this podcast, we are having a conversation.
Yes, a friendly conversation.
Now let's review job.
A job is the work you do.
For example, my job is teaching.
That sounds great.
The next word is student.
A student is a person who studies.
Like, I am a student. I study English.
Perfect example.
Now we have hobby.
A hobby is something you do for fun.
For example, my hobby is cooking.
Oh, really? That's interesting.
Next word is favorite.
Favorite means the one you like the most.
My favorite food is pasta.
Yum, that sounds delicious.
Let's review enjoy.
Enjoy means you like doing something.
I enjoy listening to music.
Very natural English.
And our last word is comfortable.
Comfortable means you feel relaxed and good.
I feel comfortable speaking English now.
Wow, that's a great sentence.
Now let's practice together.
Yes, please pause and answer.
Tell us your name.
Where are you from?
Are you a student or do you have a job?
What is one hobby you enjoy?
Great job! You did amazing!
We are very proud of you.
Thank you for listening today.
We really enjoyed this conversation with you.
Please write a comment and tell us about yourself.
Just one or two simple sentences is perfect.
Keep practicing a little every day.
Yes, English gets better with practice.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now and keep learning.